Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I'm Steve. Today's videos we are going to do skincare review, and this time I'm so excited because I got a gift from Drunk Elephant, and let's open this up and see what's in here. And of course, you guys know that anytime I do skincare review, it's going to be my first impressions and talk about the texture, the scents. As far as the efficacy of the product, it really takes time, and you can check back on my Instagram message all-in-one or on my TikTok to see a follow-up review. Alright, let's get started this video. Okay, so thank you Drunk Elephant sending me this. Let me put my glasses on first. Ooh. Let's see what's in here. Oh, travel size, and they are total, how many products in there? 6 products in there. So I'm not gonna put all 6 on my face. I'll put half, and we're gonna just open this and see what's in here. Opens out like this. Oh, there's a lot of information in here. So let's see what's in here right now first, okay? Okay, there are total 6 products in here. The first product is the Jelly Cleanser, the C Forma Day Serum. This one's a glycolic night serum. C is for vitamin C, it helps to brighten the skin. Glycolic acid to exfoliate the skin at nighttime. That makes sense. So this one is a liquid-based serum. Don't know what this is for, but we're gonna take a look real quick. SPF 30 face oil polypeptide cream. I love that they give you instruction for the daytime. Obviously, you want to wash your face and use the C serum followed by the face oil and the moisturizer and sunblock. At nighttime, you use the glycolic acid face oil and night cream. Mix the powder and the serum together to activate this product. Okay, that's what we're gonna do. Alright, so we're gonna use the Jelly Cleanser first, and followed by this, the serum, and then the face oil because I have a dry skin, and the moisturizer and the sunblock. Okay, let me go wash my face first. Alright, so, I found a new way to do my skincare in here. I put a camera in the medicine cabinet. So let me turn on the water and I'll wash my face. I always tell people this, that when you wash your face, always wash your hand first. And this is how I wash my hand. Watch. Ta-da! Mickey Mouse hand wash. Because if you don't wash your hand, there's a lot of residue and bacteria on your hand. And then if you use dirty hand to wash your face, your cleanser is basically to wash your hand, not your face. Just activate it with my hand. There's no scent in there. I just got to my eyes. I had to close my eyes doing this. I like to really work on my forehead, my nose, around my eyes, my cheek, my chin. Usually I do around my ear too. Since I'm wearing my clothes, I'm just focus around the face. Okay, next step. These treatments contain 15% vitamin C that minimize signs of photoaging. Pomegranate extract and pumpkin ferment help to exfoliate surface of dead skin. Quinoline mimic antioxidant benefit from vitamin D for more youthful looking skin. Absorb really fast. Next product is the face oil. This face oil is blended with omega-6 and 9 that is strong antioxidant, moisturize and nourishing the skin. Also help to reduce fine lines of wrinkle and dryness. 3 types of face oil. One is a super concentrate oil. You just feel greasy and oily on the skin. The other one is dry oil, absorb faster. This is kind of in the in-between. I can feel absorbing to the skin, but it leaves a little bit residue on my face. Okay. this polypeptide firming moisturizer. When you buy the original size, it's actually refillable, which is environmental friendly. This moisturizer is targeted for dryness, dullness, uneven skin texture, and loss of firmness and elasticity. So it's a true anti-aging. So putting a 2 treatment plus the moisturizer, my skin definitely feels more hydrated now. When I use the cleanser at first, I feel like that cleanser is really not for dry skin. It's more for combination to oily skin. It does strip out a little bit of oil, too much oil on my face, so my face feels kind of tight and dry. Typically, you want to be careful of that. You know, if you use any kind of cleanser, make your skin feel tight and dry, you have to make sure you use enough hydration right after, because if you don't, it's gonna cause dehydration for your skin, and your skin gonna produce more oil. But because the serum and the oil, it kind of balances everything, so I'm okay with that. Now we're gonna put a little sunblock SPF 30. This is a physical sunscreen that delivers power broad spectrum against UVA is aging, UVB is burning, and also prevent free radical and antioxidant damage. Alright, the sunblock is definitely more heavier. I feel like the sunblock, now, it's good for normal to dry skin. If you have oily skin, this could be too much for you. I wash my face, put on the serum, put on the oil, put on the moisturizer, and the sunblock. 5 steps. So you're probably wondering that, do you need to use that many steps? It really depends your skin conditions and concerns. If you have a normal to oily skin, you don't have any major concern, maybe you can skip the oil, because the oil is definitely for somebody more drier skin. You can use the oil at nighttime, so you kind of pick and choose what works for your skin the best. Because I'm old, I'm 50 years old, and I need all the hydration I need. My skin is very dry, so I have to layer some more hydration product on my face. So it right now makes my skin feel pretty comfortable, and things feels like everything just kind of absorbs into the skin already. Pretty fast. It doesn't leave the greasiness on my face at all, so I like that. Sunblock, I'm very picky because a lot of sunblock cause irritation, so I would just kind of stay away from my eye area. So far, it feels good, doesn't have any tear or irritation around my eye. Like I said, I'm very sensitive around the sunblock. Some brand I can even use even around the eye, so you get tearing eye. This one feels not bad at all, not bad at all. I hope you liked today's video doing the review and demo of a drunkelephant, the 6 travel size product here, and I like it. I like the first impression. There's really no smell in there. Personally, I don't mind smell, but it has to be essential oil rather than perfume. There are some brands that use perfume in there. That's too much for me. I can do essential oil. So this one, I don't smell anything, so I don't think there's any fragrances in there, which is kind of great for most of the people anyway. Me, skincare, it has to absorb into the skin for them to work. So anytime I put something that can go into the skin, it doesn't make me feel dry, make my skin feel comfortable, so I'm happy with that. So on that note, I like it. As far as what type of result I'm going to go see, as far as what kind of result I'm going to see, that's going to take time, and I won't be able to tell you that right away. At least there's no irritations or discomfort on my skin, so not bad at all. So if you like video like this doing skincare demo and review, leave a comment below, and make sure you subscribe my YouTube channel over here. Turn on notification bell so you know the time and day I release my video. Alright, I'll see you next video. Bye!